All right, come make a cup of coffee with me. I'm going to be using the Clever Dripper and my Stagg electric kettle. And then I already have my coffee ground and prepared. I am using the Thaddeus blend from Square One Coffee in Lancaster, PA. So let's get started. So I am using the method of adding my water first. So we're going to do 250 grams of water. Once you have your water, you add your coffee in. And I'm doing 17 grams of coffee. Give it a stir to agitate it, only a little bit, just make sure all the coffee is wet. Start your timer and let it sit for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Minute 30, give it a swirl. 2 minutes, do your letdown.